Hello, entrepreneurs. Today we're going to talk about something that a lot of small business owners shy away from, and that is doing your own accounting. Most people, when they go into business, they're excited to fulfill their dreams and they want to concentrate on the tasks that are enjoyable to them. And a lot of times they farm out the bookkeeping and the keeping of the financial records and making of the financial statements to someone else because they look at accounting as drudgery. And fine, if you're starting a taco shop, you want to make tacos, you want to serve your customers. If you're opening up that furniture store in a small town in Iowa, you want to buy and sell furniture and you want to interact with people and satisfy your customers. And the accounting is always seen as drudgery, something that's a necessary evil, and something that's farmed out to someone else. But what I'm saying is that you should learn how to do basic accounting on your own and keep your own books and your own financial records. And the main reason, one of the only reasons why I advocate this, is so that you have your fingers on the financial pulse of your company. You're not going to be calling somebody on a Friday afternoon hoping they get back to you on Monday to tell you how well your business is doing. If you attend to your accounting every day, a little bit every day, much like a diet or an exercise program, you just do it a little bit a day, forget about it, and get on with your day and not obsess about it, it isn't really that difficult. A lot of people have this fear of numbers or just a reluctance to sit down and deal with numbers, whether it's compiling receipts, making a financial statement, taxes, whatever it is. But if you're starting from nothing and you're just building your business, I suggest that from day one, you keep your own financial records and you learn about accounting, and you learn enough so that you can do the basics and beyond eventually with your accounting. There are a lot of apps and computer programs out there that will help you with your accounting. I don't use anything fancy myself. Personally, I just use Excel spreadsheets for my business. I keep it basic. The hardest thing I have to do is write formulas and then maybe compile things at the end of the year. But it really is not that tough. And if you think that it's tedious, then you have to look at the bigger picture. And that's a piece of advice for you for anything in your business that you don't want to do. Whether it's accounting, cleaning toilets, hiring people, whatever it is. If you keep the big picture in mind, then it's not so bad. And as far as learning accounting, you can learn basic accounting on the internet. You can go to a thrift store and buy a textbook for $1 or $2 and learn the basics in accounting. And there's no expiration date on the information in a lot of these books because accounting hasn't changed in hundreds of years. Debit, credit, they're the same thing. Financial statements all include the same thing. So that's pretty basic. Also, your municipality, your city, your county usually has basic accounting or tax workshops for small businesses, so check that out too. There's a lot of free information out there, but I think for a lot of you, you have to get over the hurdle that taking care of your numbers is drudgery and something that you don't want to do. But taking care of your numbers is taking care of your business, and you need to get over whatever phobia or issue you have with accounting and just embrace it and learn to like it. That's it. Remember to work hard, and may all of your entrepreneurial dreams come true.